Hey, this is Karen from Planet Happy Smiles, and I'm coming on real quick to show you some tricks that you can use in Adobe that you might not already be using. So I'm going to show you about page thumbnails. This button right here, you can see it's coming out from there. It will show you all of your page thumbnails for your product, whatever you're viewing, and it is so handy for printing. I'm going to show you another way that you can get to it if you don't have these buttons on the side already. You can go to View, and then you come down here to Show and Hide. And then you go to the navigation panes, and then from there you travel over to page thumbnails. That's another way to get it to pop out from the side. And it is so handy when you're wanting to print an item. So if you own our Dough mats, you're going to want to re-download because we've added 300 sight words, we added 30 CVC words, and then we also added a few more math mats to the pack. So you're definitely going to want to download it again and print the mats that you're missing or the mats that you want that we just added. So I'm going to scroll down to where our mats are for the sight words, and you can see right here we have several sight words already on there on the side on the page thumbnails. And what you're going to do is you're going to hit your control button, and you're going to hold that down. And as you go down your list of sight words, you're going to pick the ones, while you're still holding down the control button, you're going to pick the ones that you want to print. Keep holding down the button because that's going to help you in the end. So you're just going to pick all these different ones that you want to print. And you can see I just clicked a bunch of different ones, but I'm skipping some too, so you can skip throughout. Then you're going to go up to File, and then you're going to hit Print. And once you do that, you're going to see right here where it says Pages, you're going to click right next to it and do the Selected Pages, and you're going to have all of these pages print that you want. Now what I want to do is I want them to be multiple. I don't want them to fit the page because I want them to be smaller. So I want to do half pages. Now I already have it on landscape. Sometimes it might pop up on portrait and you'll see it like this. You're going to want to go ahead and change it to landscape. That's going to make them a really good size for you to print. We found that portrait is just kind of small. So you're going to click on landscape and then you're going to click on print. Now I use this one right here. I always catch that one as a cover for my container that I'm going to put all of the mats in. And there are 300 sight words, and then there's 30 of the CVC. So you're going to definitely want to watch what you're printing. Then you click print, and you're going to have them print up 2 per page. It is perfect. So we hope this helps you. If you love this tip, we're going to keep adding some to our YouTube channel. So make sure you subscribe, and have a great day.